Whitestone Dome is definitely known for their great screen protectors, but they also make cases for phones as well. Here we have the ESCUDO case for the Google Pixel Fold. Now, if you guys want to pick this up, I will be putting a link in the video description. And by the end of this video, you'll know if this case is worth your time or not. So let's get started. So this case feels pretty nice already. It does have a matte feel to it, and it also has a nice built-in screen protector as well, and it's not flimsy either. It feels pretty substantial. Now the inside of this case does have a really nice feel to it. It's got kind of like this textured material, and it also has a hinge to protect your spine. Clips right onto your phone. Very nice, seems to be pretty sturdy. Now before we install the front part of the case, just make sure you wipe off your screen really well and there's nothing left underneath. So once your screen is clean, we're going to peel off the backing on the screen protector. You can also use the sticker that's alongside here, and we'll just place this over our phone. Then you can peel off the top protector. That looks really sharp. Feels nice in the hand. It's not slippery, but it's got that nice smooth rubbery feel to it. On the side here, we have our volume buttons covered, but we do have a cutout for our fingerprint sensor. Fingerprint sensor is easily accessible. Volume buttons, nice and clicky. Perfect. Very nice. If we look at the side here, as you can see, there is a nice raised edge around the front of your screen. And again, we have that screen protector on here. Seems to be working just fine. There's absolutely no problems with touch whatsoever. So now your phone is protected 360 degrees and it looks crystal clear. Absolutely love the fact that they included this really nice, not flimsy screen protector, because now you don't have to worry about buying anyone anywhere else. If we look at the bottom here, we have all our cutouts as well as on the top. It also has a nice cover to protect the spine on your phone. Nice and smooth. On the back here, it's got a nice cool texture. It also does have a raised edge to protect your camera as well, and it has a little kickstand that is made of metal. The metal kickstand is also not flimsy, and it pretty much stays in any position you're going to be putting it in. Let's open up the phone. Very nice as well. It does seem to be flush with the inner screen of the phone. And because the little spine protector sticks out a little bit, kind of gives you like a little stand so you can angle up the phone more towards your face. Feels nice in the hand. You can open and close the case and the case does not move on the phone. Does have some nice edge protection in case you happen to drop your phone as well. Now it does add some bulk to your phone, but this is absolutely, I think, the best protection you're going to get for your phone. You have spine protection, you have a nice thick screen protector that works perfectly fine with touch, your back's protected, pretty much everywhere is protected on this phone. I think this is going to be one of my favorite cases for the best protection possible. And then if we take out the kickstand here, you also have that option to have the phone even more angled towards your face as well. And the spine also allows the phone to kind of stand upright as well. And if we look at the front of the phone again, you can see that these edges are reinforced because they bulge out just a little bit. Now, as far as fingerprints goes, the front screen does seem to collect some fingerprints, but you can just easily wipe those away. And then let's see if this works with wireless charging. Yes, it does. So this is definitely going to be my favorite case for the best protection possible, giving you full 360 degree protection. I really like this case. I would definitely recommend it, and I'm going to give it a thumbs up. So again, if you guys want to pick this case up yourself, I will be putting a link in the video description. And if you guys like the video, it would really help out the channel if you gave me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.